Here at BatteryEvo, all of our products are proudly made in America. Today, we're going to give you a tour of our manufacturing warehouse in Southern California and show you just how our powerful home energy systems are made. First things first, we look over the housing containers for each of our products to check for any scratches or damage. Once they've passed inspection, we prepare to load them up with their batteries. Each of our batteries are connected to a battery management system and tested for quality. This blue light tells us that the BMS has been activated successfully. Once the internal battery has been tested, we load them into the product for use. In this case, we're preparing our Walrus all-in-one system. Each of our technicians have been rigorously trained, and each Walrus is manufactured by hand with care. Here you can see our automatic fire extinguisher, which is temperature activated. Accidents are rare, but we prepare all of our systems to respond to any situation. All right. This Walrus has been assembled and is almost ready for shipment. At BatteryEvo, our innovative all-in-one systems are built with the inverter on top and battery on bottom. We did this to give our customers the easiest setup experience and maximize the value of the product. When your Walrus Arctic arrives, connect your inverter to your battery by sliding it on top. Then connect the cables in the back and configure your Ethernet connection so that the inverter and battery can communicate with one another. Now you'll be able to connect to your grid system, solar panels, or both. In a moment, we'll show you how we give it a final quality check before it's shipped out. We put great care into the assembly of each product, but our quality checking process is just as, if not more important, to give you the most reliable products on the market. Here you can see one of our technicians testing the system functionalities. We even connected to our warehouse's overhead lights. One of the most important steps in our quality checking process is to test the overload protection. We test this by purposefully running too much power through the system. The system will auto shut down and restart 3 times to check the current status. If the status still reads unacceptable parameters after the 3rd check, then the system will completely shut down. Once an acceptable status is detected, the system will resume outputting power normally. Lastly, we double-check the Wi-Fi capability by connecting the system to our BatteryEvo app. Doing this at home will allow you to monitor your home's power on the go. We can see that this system connected and successfully passed our QC. Safety and reliability are paramount to us, so no product leaves the warehouse without passing a thorough inspection. Once a product has passed all our tests, we wrap them and pad them for damage-free shipping. Now that we've completed the job, the products you just saw have been loaded up and shipped out to customers all over the United States. I hope you've enjoyed this look into our manufacturing and quality checking process here in Los Angeles. For more information, check us out at BatteryEvo.com.